All right, here we go, guys. This is the Mosaic No Huddle Hobby, PYT number 6. Guess the auto for 20 in credit. This is the 22 rookie class, so if you're guessing a rookie, guess out of the 22 class. And then any veterans or Hall of Famers, old school players that are in this product could all be on that auto we get in this one. Good luck, guys. Get those guesses in. Here we go. Pack number 1. We have Tom Brady, Taysom Hill, Antonio Gibson, Devonta Adams, Aaron Rodgers, Khalil Mack, Michael Pittman, Jamar Chase, Trent McDuffie on the rookie, David Bell rookie. Our no huddle parallels, we have Devonta Adams and Kenny Golladay. Pack number 2. Quinnen Williams. And if you guys are new with us, make sure you hit that subscribe button. There's Aaron Donald, Drew Lock, Kyle Hamilton NFL debut, Chris Jones, Aaron Rodgers on the National Pride, Mecole Hardman, Trayvon Diggs, Boye Mafe rookie, Derek Stingley rookie. We had the montage, Christian McCaffrey going to Carolina. Then we have our first Mosaic No Huddle color of Jonathan Allen. That'll be blue. Get a reporter card. The blue is out of 75, 13 out of 75. Right, on to our next pack. Again, get your guesses in for the player on the auto in this break. We should have one auto. I'll do my best to save it to the end, but there's no guarantees on that. So get your guesses in sooner than later. Make sure you do not guess a player that's already been guessed in the chat. There's Robert Woods for Tennessee, Mike Evans, Marquez Callaway, Reggie Wayne, Sam Howell NFL debut, Herschel Walker, J.K. Dobbins, A.J. Dillon, Kenny Pickett on the true rookie there, Isaiah Spiller, Silver Josh Jacobs. Then we have our no huddle, Samori Toure for the Packers. We have, I think our auto is in this pack, so let me, maybe not. Sorry, guys. Terry McLaurin. I think it was a reflection. Keyshawn Johnson, Jalen Ramsey, Cooper Kupp, DeForest Buckner. There's Kenny Pickett NFL debut, Jair Alexander, DJ Moore, Jeremy Ruckert, Kyler Gordon. Introductions of Breece Hall. We have a purple LaVisca Chenault. There's a kid reporter card behind it. That will be out of 50, 13 out of 50. Here's our next pack. Make sure you guys grab the last remaining spots in tonight's breaks as well as Thursdays. There's a link pinned to the top of the chat. Plus, there's links floating around in the chat if you want to grab those. DK Metcalf, Kirk Cousins, Zach Wilson. There is a code you can use at checkout for 10% off. There's a special code for tonight and one for tomorrow. Tony Baselli, Derrick Henry, National Pride, Darius Slay, Darius Leonard, Trey Hendrickson, Romeo Dobbs, Cameron Taylor. Then we got a silver T. Higgins and a Matt Carroll on the NFL debut, no huddle parallel. Love these no huddle parallels. This year's Mosaic design. Make sure you guys hit the like video on the like button on the video too, if you could, please. We'd appreciate that. You do not have to be in the break to put in a guess for the player on the last auto. If you get the player on the last auto correct, you get 20 in credit to use in our breaks. And you do not have to be in the break to make a guess. That is our auto coming up. So I'm going to take that off to the side. We'll start with this, the Mike Ditka Mosaic Parallel. Cool if they use a black and white photo on that one. Cam Akers, TJ Watt, Xavier Howard, Breece Hall NFL debut, Kendrick Bourne, Russell Wilson National Pride, DeAndre Hopkins, Jerry Jeudy, Tristan Ebner, rookie for the Bears. Look at a little dent on that one too. Crease of some sort. This is the next pack. We have Chris Godwin, Marshawn Lattimore, Eli Mitchell, Jesse Bates, Logan Thomas. There's Sauce Gardner on the NFL debut, Rondell Moore, Javonte Williams, Treylon Burks rookie, Quay Walker, Silver Jake Ferguson rookie for Dallas, and a no huddle parallel of Cade York, rookie kicker for the Browns. We got 5 packs left. We have our auto at the end as well. That could earn somebody 20 in credit if they guess the player on that correctly. Up next will be the Don Russ Elite first off the line, PYT number 9. There's Justin Herbert, Cooper Kupp, Joe Green, Josh Allen, Isaac Bruce, the Drake London NFL debut, Ray Lewis, T. Higgins, Alec Pierce, Andrew Booth Jr., Minna Mastery, Jerry Rice. And we have a blue Donald Driver for the Packers. This kid report a card. This will be out of 75, 4 out of 75 on the Donald Driver. Our next pack. We have Dan Marino, Leonard Fournette, Alvin Kamara, Lynn Dawson, Mac Jones, National Pride, Trent Williams, Chris Jones, Roger Staubach, Rashad Bateman, Kevon Thibodeau rookie, Malik Willis rookie, and Young Ho Koo on the no huddle parallel for Atlanta. 3 packs left plus our auto. Austin Eckler, Fletcher Cox, Mike Evans, Desmond Ridder NFL debut, Joe Montana, Cooper Kupp National Pride, Tony Gonzalez, Russell Wilson, Desmond Ridder on the rookie, Cade Otton rookie, Deebo Samuel, Stairmasters. We have a Hassan Haskins on the purple. There's Kid Reporter. 9 out of 50 on the Haskins going to Tennessee. Nice rookie right there. We have 2 packs left plus our auto. Get your guesses in, guys, on the player on that last auto for 20 in credit. We'll be revealing that real soon, so get your guesses in as quickly as you can. Up next is going to be the Donruss Elite first off the line, followed by the Ben Baller Chrome, Topps Chrome, that's 22 Ben Baller. Then we'll have our Select Basketball. We do have spots available for a few of these breaks left tonight, so make sure you use the link pinned to the chat. There is a code you can use at checkout. That'll be at the top of the page too when you click on that link. So the last 2 packs. So we have Spots and Chrome Update, Select Basketball, and our Prism Solo packs at the end of the night. There's Marquez Callaway, Jonathan Allen, Jalen Hurts, Chris Carson, Kenneth Walker rookie, NFL debut, Devin Duvernay, Marquise Brown, Alan Lazard, Sky Moore, Calvin Austin, Kyler Murray, no huddle rookie, Kyle Hamilton, and Ryan Tannehill. We have Eric Dickerson, Tyler Lockett, Dalvin Cook, Dak Prescott, National Pride, Cowboys, Christian Kirk, Drew Brees, Robbie Anderson, Peyton Manning, Chad Johnson, Cade York rookie, Samari Toure rookie, and Donald Driver on the silver mosaic. Get a reporter card. Let's get these top loaded. We'll reveal that last auto, do a recap, and move on to Donruss Elite first off the line. So if you were waiting on that, that is next. Good luck to everybody that got the guesses in for that last auto. The player on there could earn someone 20 in credit. Again, when we use that credit, you can use it towards anything in our store, breaks, packs, or boxes. All right, here is our auto. We got Jahan Dotson covering up the auto. And it is going to be no huddle Nate Burleson for Detroit. I guarantee we don't have any Nate Burleson guesses in the chat. It's a very obscure auto there, but that will go to the Lions spot. So the Lions got themselves an auto. We will do a recap, and this will conclude our break. There's a Kyle Hamilton for the Ravens, Ryan Tannehill, Donald Driver, Jake Ferguson, Cade York, Donald Driver to 75, Malik Willis, Young Ho Koo, Desmond Ridder rookie, Hassan Haskins purple out of 50, 8 out of 50, Mike Ditka, Silver Higgins, Matt Corral on the NFL debut, Kenny Pickett, Silver Jacobs, Samari Toure on the no huddle, Kenny Pickett NFL debut, the purple Chenault, that's out of 50, Devonta Adams Stairmasters, Kenny Golladay, Jonathan Allen out of 75, and our auto was no Nate Burleson on the no huddle. All right, that does it for this one. Up next, you guys, is going to be our Donruss Elite first off the line. We're going to get that one, that list all updated. Up next after this is the Ben Baller Chrome. That will follow the Donruss Elite. You can use that link to grab the spots in the remaining breaks tonight, guys.